Hello everyone, my name is Prathamesh Prakash Londe, and today's date is 1st August 2023, and today's I am discuss about methods in Java. The methods in Java or methods of Java is a collection of statements uh, that perform some specific task and return the results to the caller. A Java method can perform some specific task without return in anything. Java methods allow us to reuse the code without retyping the code. First one, a method is like a function that is used to expose the behavior of an object. Second one, it is a set of code that perform a particular task. Advantage of method: code reusability, code optimization, method declaration. In general method declaration have a six component. First one is a modifier. It defines it defines the access type of the method that is form that is from the where it can be accessed in your application. In Java, there are four types of access specifier. Public, it is accessible in all classes in your application. Protected, it is accessible within the class in which it is defined, and in its subclass. Private, it is accessible only within the class in which it is defined. Default, it is a declared defined without using any modifier. It is accessible within the same class and package. And next, type of method in Java. There are two type of method in Java. First one is a predefined method. In Java, predefined method are the method that is already defined in the Java class library. Is known as a predefined method. It is also known as the standard library method or built-in method. We can directly use these methods just by calling them in the program at any point. Second one is a user-defined method. The user-defined method written by the user or programmer is known as a user-defined method. These methods are modified according to the requirements. A method name is typically a single word that should be a verb in a lowercase or a multi-word that begins with a verb in lowercase followed by an adjective noun. After the first word, the first letter of each word should be capitalized. Rules to name a method.